tres, dos, uno.
This is Varginha. It's the coffee capital of Brazil. Today, I'm taking you inside SET Café to do some drawing. SET Café is one of my favorite cafes in Latin America. In the front, there's beautiful cafe. They take a lot of pride in the coffee they make because these locals know great coffee as well as anyone else in Brazil. And in the back is an entire co-working space. Last year, Varginha exported the most coffee for any city in Brazil. Right now, I'm just drawing thumbnails to try and figure out the composition. Thumbnails are tiny drawings that help me understand the space better. If you're new to thumbnails, I made a video to help. To start, I keep a real light hand. I'm figuring out the perspective. If perspective is intimidating to you, don't worry, I have a real easy hack that I like to use. See all these diagonal lines? I imagine I'm looking at the face of a clock. This counter line right here, it points to 3 o'clock. See this ceiling line right here? It points to about 2 o'clock. I take these angles and I draw them onto the paper. Once I feel good about these perspective lines, I go in and make more decisive marks and start making some areas darker while leaving other areas lighter. Throughout this drawing, I am constantly sighting. Sighting just means I'm taking visual measurements of what I see. I'll include a video explaining how to do sighting and how it helps your drawings be more authentic. Bonus tip, I'm drawing this cafe in 2-point perspective. All 2-point perspective means is that if we extended all these horizontal lines, they would all collide at 2 points somewhere at your eye level, aka the horizon line. I keep that in mind when I'm figuring out all these horizontal diagonal lines. If 2-point perspective is overwhelming, don't worry, you can use this clock face technique on its own. If you do want to conquer 2-point perspective, you can watch the video here.